Hello everyone, welcome to Shahin Vlogs. You'd have seen a house tour, room tour. Have you seen a classroom tour? Let me take you in. Welcome to our classroom. Before getting into the video, let me make you one thing clear that this is not a private school. This is one of the classrooms of Tamil Nadu government schools, renovated and recreated by me, a teacher working in the school. Let's see a 360-degree view of our classroom. This is how the classroom looks. Let me explain you one by one. The view of my students is this side, so I wanted to create a good canvas. This school is Urdu medium where only Muslim children study, hence the cartoon of a Muslim boy and a girl with books flying to conquer the world through education, with the caption, "Education is the most powerful tool to conquer the world." Though it is a Urdu medium school, our children learn English and Tamil as well. Technically, it's a tri-language school. So are the captions. Below the blackboard, a painting of a garden. The opposite wall has display pin boards for each subject where the best activity and charts of the students are displayed. This encourages the students to compete among themselves in a healthy way to make their activity displayed. Also, there are reapers to stick charts on the wall. This prevents the wall from getting damaged by the. On either sides of the classroom, there are strings where excess activities can be hung. In this shelf, old activities, few books of mine and students' notebooks are stored. Our school has an RO water unit installed. Just to make the students comfortable and engage in class, a water can is kept here. On the side of the shelf, there's a gallery with few photos of important moments. She is Sishya School Madam, Mrs. Vasanthi Tyagarajan, an inspirational woman. During her visit to our school, she got impressed with the classroom and patted me for my work. That was much encouraging. This is a leaderboard. As in any game, the toppers are displayed. Same way, student toppers in all activities, not only in studies, but in attendance, obedience, any other talent, they are displayed here. with their unique quality written. The students are selected with a proper discussion with all 6 subject teachers, so the selection is unbiased. This again motivates the students to earn their photo to be displayed in this board. During parents teachers meeting, parents peep into this. If his son or daughter is there in the board, especially mothers, they take a picture of this as well, maybe to show this to their relatives. Below this is a reading corner where books related to this age group are hung, like storybooks, infotainment, puzzles. Whenever students get time, they make use of it. This is a creative corner where students get to pin their creative artwork. My students are very creative, aren't they? Here is a computer installed, which almost all my students operate. This is one of the CPUs donated by Infosys to our school. I grabbed one. Other things are from RMSA. It's all school property, the audio system, monitor, projector, furniture. Everything belongs to the school. I have done some customization and some electric work and using them. Other subject teachers also use it regularly. There is a Wi-Fi adapter installed. With the mobile phone data, we use internet, we bring our pen drives, CDs, and all of us make use of it wisely. This is a TLM board where teachers can clip on their charts or other TLM materials. TLM board, projector board, and a normal blackboard. A teacher can make use of all the 3 boards at a time. Not only me, but all the teachers coming to this class comfortably access these facilities. These pin boards are custom made. This is called XLPE sheet, pasted on plywood, and edge binders are nailed for a neat finish. These boards are durable compared to other pin boards. I will leave the address of the shop where I bought them in the description box. Because of these boards, the temperature of this classroom is much cooler compared to other rooms in the same building.
Where did you go? I was running in the park.
Where did you go? के पास क्या माना? What?
I was running in the park. Full stop.
Where should it come? कहाँ पे आना?
Park के बाद.
This is Team A and this is Team B. Introduce yourselves.
My name is Latif.
My name is Nawaz.
My name is Zubair. My name is Mishwak. My name is Muaz. My name is Shahin.
Okay, let's start the game. Team A, start. There are many teachers who do so many things selflessly to their students. I am proud to say that I am one among this wonderful teaching community. My journey has just begun. These little kids with sparkle in their eyes, bright dreams, and innocent smile come to us with an aching desire that we teachers are their dream catchers. And we will learn a new lesson today. It is in our hands to shape these rugged stones into well-molded sculptures. Big responsibilities in our hands. Let's create wonderful future citizens together. I thank my headmaster, Mr. Chandra Reddy sir, who trusted and gave me enough freedom to create this wonderful space. I thank my colleagues for their kind cooperation. Thanks for watching. If you find this video inspirational, then share it with your friends. Comment and let me know your thoughts. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. See you again with a wonderful video. Until then, peace. I am very happy to say that our school has created a new record this year by achieving 100% result in 10th standard board exams. One more proud moment to our school.